Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have been wanting to do a proper highlighting and contouring tutorial for such a long time. I know it's a little bit scary and intimidating because it requires wearing so much makeup. It requires wearing a pretty thick layer of base and different colors here and there. So I decided I'm just gonna get into it today. So let's get started. So I'm starting with the darkest foundation possible. This is the NC50 by MAC Studio Fix. It's the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and I'm just going to take it on my ring finger and just suck my cheeks in and try to pat it in the hollows of my cheeks. So contouring can be really tricky, and what we need to take care of while contouring is the line that we draw. Firstly, it needs to be at the accurate place and it needs to be very well blended. Now, as far as accuracy of the line is concerned, I like to start close to my earlobe, traveling towards my nose and stopping about a little before the middle of my eye and stopping about here. I'm also using it around my jawline, around the perimeter of my face, and for my nose I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to use a MAC 215, and I'm just going to apply it starting from my brow, coming down and ending where at the tip of my nose. So after you've applied your dark foundation or dark concealer, just let it sit for a while and let it get absorbed into the skin. After which I'm going to pick up a damp beauty blender and just smoothen out these areas, just make sure the lines look blended, and these should look like shadows and not like stark lines. So for highlighter, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Tinted Eye Brightener, and I'm just going to use this directly straight from this wand, apply it to the higher planes of my face, all those areas that I want to be lighter. So anything that you don't contour, you end up highlighting. So of course the center of your forehead and the center of your nose, around the mouth, both above and below the lines where you have contoured is where you apply your highlighter. So I'm just going to do that, and similarly just going to blend it out again. Now what we've done is we've used all liquid products for our highlighting and contouring, and just to intensify the effect and to set them in place, I'm also going to top it off with a powder contour and a powder highlighter. So for powder contouring, I'm using the MAC Blot Press powder in the color Deep Dark and the Real Techniques contour brush. For my powder highlighter, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in the shade Bronze with this Sephora fan brush. Now after we've created all this dimension and chisel on the face, I do want the highlight and the contour on the cheeks to blend into each other very well. I don't want it to look like two stark lines or to look really light and really dark in places. So I'm just going to blend it using a very muted sort of a blush color. I'm using the MAC Copper Tone color, and I'm using a blush brush to just dust off a little bit in between the contour and the highlight so that they fade into each other. So that was a little bit more in depth of highlighting and contouring. I hope you do try this. Just be careful. It does require a certain amount of skill and practice, but keep practicing, you'll get it right. Thank you for watching.